Hey, shalom! Would you like to learn verbs like this?
אם תלכי לי לשנייה עולמי יקרוס ואם אלך לך תצטערי על הזמנים בהם היינו יחד ושתקנו.
Or you would like to learn verbs like this. Huh? Which way is better? Wait, I hope you prefer with karaoke verbs, right? So let me just a quick overview what we have in the course real quick. We will have several parts. We will be, well, you see, we will be, the core part of the course is this karaoke song. You'll get a karaoke song each week. You'll have the song itself and English text, Hebrew text, English text, link you for those who are link you aficionados, and then flashcards for learning the verbs and games. Like, for example, you can, so you listen to them. Which verb is this? From which root is this? You'll have to find. It's all about, we're learning with the lyrics the verbs that are in the song, and we are practicing on this. We will be concentrating on one sentence as well and doing like kind of fill in the blank exercises. It's tricky. It's not as easy as it looks, but it's a good training. And then we will work with other verbs that work in the same pattern. For example, lalechet, tilchi. Lashevet, what would be this form for lashevet? And, well, you will watch my explanation at the beginning. Then the karaoke song, which is, yes, the big star of our course. And this karaoke, you will be able to, to sing, filling the blanks, and you'll be able to sing it, seeing also text with highlights, or also just sing along and just look at the forms and make it internalize the Hebrew verb forms and make it natural for you. Sing it. That's what the course is about. You will get such unit like this each week, and all the materials I will be sending in the order which I think is the best, but you can, you do your thing. I will be drip posting at our chat group, which I hope is going to be vibrant. You can ask any question, discuss, say I did it or I didn't understand, and, well, I'll be there for you, and hope to see you at the amazing verbs karaoke course. I really hope this is something that will help you really, feel and live the Hebrew verbs. 3 months of, having such a unit like this weekly, and you are really good to go. Good luck, be'atzlacha, and see you at the course.